I read books before bed.
I read books before bed.
We cook dinner together daily.
We cook dinner together daily.
He paints pictures of animals.
He paints pictures of animals.
She makes tea every morning.
She makes tea every morning.
They laugh at funny jokes.
They laugh at funny jokes.
I draw flowers on paper.
I draw flowers on paper.
We clean the classroom floor.
We clean the classroom floor.
He runs in the playground.
He runs in the playground.
She drinks coffee after lunch.
She drinks coffee after lunch.
She packed clothes for travel.
She packed clothes for travel.
I water the plants daily.
I water the plants daily.
We sing songs in class.
We sing songs in class.
He fixes his broken bike.
He fixes his broken bike.
She keeps keys in her bag.
She keeps keys in her bag.
They visit the zoo often.
They visit the zoo often.
I sweep the kitchen floor.
I sweep the kitchen floor.
We share snacks during break.
We share snacks during break.
He opens windows for air.
He opens windows for air.
She washes the cups gently.
She washes the cups gently.
He draws maps in notebooks.
He draws maps in notebooks.
I check emails every morning.
I check emails every morning.
We walk together after dinner.
We walk together after dinner.
He folds paper into boats.
He folds paper into boats.
She eats noodles with chopsticks.
She eats noodles with chopsticks.
They clean desks before class.
They clean desks before class.
I feed duck in the pond.
I feed duck in the pond.
She baked biscuits on Sunday.
She baked biscuits on Sunday.
He studies for his exams.
He studies for his exams.
She talks to her neighbor.
She talks to her neighbor.
They clap after the performance.
They clap after the performance.
I ride my bicycle daily.
I ride my bicycle daily.
We wait for the bus.
We wait for the bus.
She carries groceries in bags.
She carries groceries in bags.
She wears a red scarf.
She wears a red scarf.
They play cricket after school.
They play cricket after school.
I brush my teeth twice.
I brush my teeth twice.
We write stories in notebooks.
We write stories in notebooks.
He checks his phone messages.
He checks his phone messages.
She feeds birds in the park.
She feeds birds in the park.
They wear sunglasses in summer.
They wear sunglasses in summer.
I open the window slowly.
I open the window slowly.
We run races on sports day.
We run races on sports day.
He plays guitar for friends.
He plays guitar for friends.
She washes dishes after dinner.
She washes dishes after dinner.
He fixes lights in the hall.
He fixes lights in the hall.
I pack my bag for school.
I pack my bag for school.
We read together in the library.
We read together in the library.
He draws stars on the wall.
He draws stars on the wall.
She cooks pasta for lunch.
She cooks pasta for lunch.
They water trees in the garden.
They water trees in the garden.